This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
I think we just hit the jackpot for anyone who's ever stared at a sink full of dishes and just wanted to give up. Seriously, you have to see this. This isn't a scene from a movie. It's the Helix O2, and it's finally tackling the one job none of us actually want to do after a long day. Now, we've seen robots in factories for years, right? Those massive orange arms that just move one heavy part from point A to point B, but this is completely different. The Helix O2 is a full humanoid, and its precision is honestly a little bit mind-blowing. Just look at how it handles those plates. It's not just grabbing them, it's being incredibly careful. It understands the weight, the texture, and exactly where that plate needs to be tucked into the cabinet. Think about how hard this actually is for a machine. You've got wet, slippery surfaces, different sizes of bowls, and fragile glasses that would shatter if the robot squeezed just a tiny bit too hard. It has to navigate a kitchen designed for humans, not for computers. But the Helix O2 is moving through it with this smooth, almost natural flow. There are no jerky movements or error pauses. It's just getting the work done. What really stands out to me is the organizational side of this. It's not just dumping things, it's actually sorting. It knows the difference between a coffee mug and a dinner plate, and it knows exactly which shelf they belong on. Imagine coming home from work and your kitchen is just finished. The dishwasher is unloaded, the counters are clear, and you didn't have to spend your evening doing it. We're starting to see a massive shift here. We're moving away from robots that only live in labs or warehouses and moving toward machines that can actually exist in our homes. This isn't just about cool tech, it's about getting our time back. It's about taking those mundane, repetitive tasks that eat up our lives and finally handing them off to something that doesn't mind doing them. The speed at which these humanoid robots are evolving is honestly wild. If you want to keep up with how AI and robotics are actually going to change your day-to-day life, without all the hype and fluff, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the AIX community. We're following these breakthroughs every single day to see which one is actually going to land in your living room first. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust a robot with your favorite set of glasses? I'm curious to hear what you think.